Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your online class. I hope so you all are doing good. Today we are going to start grammar lesson number 3, emphatic and reflexive pronouns, page number 123 of Understand and Communicate book 2. Emphatic and reflexive pronouns have the same forms, and they are formed by adding self in singular case and selves in plural case to possessive adjectives like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. You is the second person pronoun which is used with the singular and plural. So in case of singular, we just added self, it became yourself, and in case of plural, we add selves and it becomes like yourselves. Emphatic pronouns. An emphatic pronoun is used to emphasize the noun or pronoun which it refers to. It means that an emphatic pronoun gives importance to the noun or pronoun. Means the subject of a sentence. It usually follows immediately upon the noun or pronoun, although it may also come at the end of the sentence. Mostly it comes right after the noun or pronoun to which it is referring, and in some cases it comes at the end as well. Now example is the leader himself wrote the song. The leader is a noun and himself emphatic pronoun is referring to the noun and it has come right after the subject, and the subject is the leader. The leader himself wrote the song. They cleared the garden themselves. Now over here the emphatic pronoun has come at the end of the sentence, but still it is referring to the subject, and that is the pronoun they. So emphatic pronouns are the pronouns which refer or which give importance to the noun or pronoun in a sentence, which usually is the subject of a sentence. Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun functions as the object of a sentence and comes after the verb, but it refers to the noun or pronoun which is the subject. Reflexive pronouns are same in the form as emphatic pronouns, but they come right after the verb and refers to the subject of a sentence, and mostly the subject is the object in the sentence. It means that the reflexive pronoun shows that the action is done on the subject. In a sentence with a reflexive pronoun, the subject and the object are the same person. It means that the noun or pronoun is doing an action on its own self. For example, the boy told himself to work hard. It means the boy told himself. The subject has done an action on its own self. She scolded herself for being so lazy. Again, the subject has done an action on its own self. And if you notice, the reflexive pronoun has come right after the verb. In first example, told is the verb and himself has come right after it. And in second sentence, scolded is the verb and herself has come right after it. So a reflexive pronoun is a type of a pronoun which shows that the subject is doing an action on its own self, and it comes right after the verb.